If you think you've seen the finest homes that Sunstone at Wellen Park have to offer, I invite you to come see something completely different. An exquisite residence that has been completely reimagined, where every surface and detail has been upgraded. From the moment you step inside this 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,000 square foot home, you feel the difference. Custom craftsmanship, refined materials, and design continuity in every direction. This is a home where luxury isn't just visible, it's functional, designed for everyday living without compromising elegance. At the heart of the home, the open concept great room showcases dramatic beamwork and a stunning stone fireplace feature wall. Soaring 8-foot doors, wide crown molding, and arched hallway entries create a sense of timeless sophistication. Outdoors, a lanai with cedar ceiling overlooks peaceful, preserved views, creating a private extension of your living space. Set on a premium preserved home site with no neighbors in front or behind the home, privacy here is built into the lifestyle. And with resort-style amenities and golf cart access to downtown Wellen Park, this community defines elevated Florida living in one of the fastest growing master planned communities in the United States. I'm Julie Willett with Next Home Excellence Realty.